Okay, today is the 19th of January, Tuesday, and this is currently about 8:10, so 10 minutes into the start of the London session. We start on the weekly. We see how last week closed was a pretty bearish week for gold, continuation of this big bearish candle with this huge wick. Of the week, what we've seen is on Monday, I've had a tap almost into 1800. If I just keep my crosshair on here, you can see that if you look to the left, you can see directly where it has gone into this small support that was here for about a couple hours. But then what happened is created a hanging man and closed right back above. So with the bullish engulfing, it retested, and now we're trading up slowly. So if we just take a look at this on the 30-minute time frame, what we can see here is that price really doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Well, to be fair, yesterday was a holiday, but personally for me, we're still in this lower time frame, this downtrend structure. And until this is broken, and for me personally, until 1863 is broken as well. So I want to see this high broken right here, 1856, 7. And I also want to see this high broken, 1864. If I see those two highs broken, then I can believe we're coming back to 1896. Until then, I still believe that I'm going to be looking for opportunities to sell. My first chance to sell will be here, get to retest potentially, see how price slows down, where price reacts to, maybe 1850, and look to take the trades from there. And I do believe we're going to keep heading down because the weekly is very bearish, and it doesn't look like we're going in for a retest anytime soon. So that's my analysis on gold. We'll see how that plays out. But if we do break out of here, then 1880, 1900 is my next point of call for this pair. Now, as for GJ, what we can see is on the weekly we had sort of a doji, but this doesn't mean a retracement. This just means that price got here, slowed down, and retraced. And exactly where I predicted, I even had an alert set up there. Happened on the daily. You see, we had this big bearish candle on Friday. So this may have convinced people that okay, it's time to sell. On Monday, what happened was we got this big bullish candle here, right here, and then what happened? Just retest. If you notice, it created a lower high. In the 4 hour, it's gone. It dropped down to the 30-minute on GJ. You can see exactly right here. You can see that small break of structure right there. And then price has not returned to it. And it's driven all the way to 141.5. That was a nice little trade, but I don't trade till Monday, so I missed that trade. But it's all good. What we can wait for now is we can wait for, personally, if we do retrace at this point, I'm just going to wait to see what we do here again. So if price doesn't, so let's just copy this here so you can see what I'm saying. So this point that we're at right now, if we do retrace from here back down here, I am just going to wait to recreate a lower low, or do we go back up? Because if we create a lower low, that means the trend has changed. But as for now, we're still in an uptrend. Structure has not changed. You might count this here as the first lower low, but I don't count this as structure. I just count this as one move and then one second move. Price might just be slowing down here. See how that plays out. That's my analysis for the week of January 19th.